Welcome back, you guys. I'm your host, as always, Raymondo, and today we start a new game, kind of. As you know from my 300 video, we started Super Mario Bros. U. To give you a sneak preview of what the next video was gonna be. Well, the next game after I finished the other games. So, as you know, I have beaten Crash Bandicoot 4. I've beaten, or so to speak, Mortal Kombat XL. So now we can move on to some new games. And here's the one that we're going to continue on. Since we started this on the 300 video. And what a way to start on the 400 video. But this time, we're going to keep going with it. We're not going to go to each 100 video, so on and so on. We're just going to move on with this game. So without further ado, let's continue.
Here we go!
I've been super excited to play this game and the other game, Super Mario 3D World. I've been super excited to play these games for you guys. So I hope you enjoy them. I want up. Hit me up there, please. I swear if you make me get up there and then fall, look at this. Did I beat this? I'm honestly not sure, but we'll find out. Something tells me I think I did beat this, but that's okay. Let's go ahead and play it again. I think I did beat this. That's okay. We can beat it again. Okay. Why not? Maybe we do like a recap. Why not? Obviously, you see when the coins are gray, that means I got them already. That's okay. You know what, I don't think I mentioned this before, but the reason why I decided to play with Luigi is something different. I wanted to play a different character, so I picked Luigi for you guys. So I hope you enjoy that. Something different besides Mario to play with, or not. Mario can't have all the fun if I said that before. I say it again! I think I messed up. I got it. And I missed the coin. That was the third coin.
Ah. Here we go.
That was the third coin. Oh, excuse me, guys. Which means I missed the third one, or the second one, somewhere around here. That wasn't my intention, but okay. Let's just move forward.
Oh. Here we go. Bye bye. Here we go.
Where's Luigi? What the fuck? Keep falling in that fucking spot. And I wasn't even going for the fucking coin this time.
Ah. Here we go. Made it. Cha.
Nabbit again. Have we even had Nabbit yet? I don't think we had Nabbit yet. I think this is the first time Nabbit's been here. Gotta be. This gotta be the first Nabbit. Let's go get him. I know I can go do that shortcut, but... Obviously, if he was farther down, I would use a shortcut, but he's just right there. Alright, let's get this bastard. Come on, get it. Almost got it, almost got it, almost got it. Got it. Right like that.
Ah!
What? No.
Okay, I will shoot this time. I will take the
Whoa!
this time. Alright. Let's keep going. Wait a minute. Oh,
Here we go.
I want a prize. Yeah.
What? No.
Alright. Now we can officially move on.
Here we go.
Here comes Kathy. Alright, guys. Get away from me! Oh, shit. I thought I was gonna die. I was like, well, might as well die. But I guess I wanted to die to the turtle. Okay.
Bye bye. Here we go.
What?
Ah. Here we go.
There you go. I am missing something. think I did. Is there nothing there? And no Bitcoin? Okay. If there's a coin in here, I'm missing it. I saw you over there. Felt like I missed it. There was coins in there. I know there was coins in there.
Made it.
Obviously. But I missed them.
Ha! Here we go.
Get out of here. I need something. I need something. God damn it.
Bye bye. Here we go.
Where's my light? Thank you. That's worth it. Oh, don't throw the fire. Hey, you fucker. Alright. Lost it. Yo. Yeah, course I'll be the third corner. Alright. Wait till you get out of here.
Phew, made it. Ha!
What? Oh.
Here we go.
I got it. Damn you! There you go.
Uh-oh.
It's an easy.